Welcome to the session on desktop tools. So in this session, we'll be seeing MATLAB desktop, then desktop tools like command window, command history, launchpad, help browser, current directory, workspace browser, editor. Then in the end, we'll be seeing a few multiple choice questions. So now let's start with this MATLAB desktop. See, when you click on the MATLAB icon or when you open the MATLAB, you'll be seeing this desktop on the screen. So here you'll find many desktop tools. These desktop tools are used to manage variables, files, and applications associated with MATLAB. Because of graphical user interface feature, you will be able to change the appearance of this desktop. Here you are seeing the desktop of Scilab, which is very much similar to the MATLAB. Here you are seeing a command desktop tool called a command window in the center. Then to the left side you have workspace browser and command history. Then to the left side you are seeing current directory browser. So this appearance can be changed by uh, making use of preferences or by changing the characteristics of desktop tools. So you can resize the windows to change the appearance. By clicking on this undock button, you can move the tools outside the desktop. I shall just click it now. So now again I can get it back here just by moving it. So now I have changed the position of these two tools. You can even close the desktop tool by clicking on this close button. So it just got closed now. So again click on this application. So now I can just get it here. So this way you can change the appearance of the desktop. You can also change the characteristics of the desktop tools by making use of preferences. So just click on this preferences. It is also available in MATLAB. So here you can see some desktop layout settings. You can even change the font size, even the color. Here I've chosen the black color for the text and white color for the background. So these things can be changed. So you can even see the shortcuts available. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ರಿಸೈಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಲಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಲಾಬಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡೋ. The command window is used to enter variables and run M files and functions. So here, what you are seeing is the command prompt of MATLAB, that is greater than sign. EDU is because of the student version. So what you are seeing at the center is the command window. Here in Scilab, it's called console. I shall enter just two variables now. So A is equal to 10 and B is equal to say 40. I shall perform some arithmetic operation also. So I have just assigned values to two variables, and I have added those two variables. So my result is 50. So this way, you can use the command window to enter the variables. So now if I want to clear the content of this command window, I can use the command CLC. CLC stands for clear the command window. Shall press the enter key. So it asks me, are you sure you want to clear the console? I'll say yes. So now the command window is cleared. So the next tool is the command history. Whatever we enter in the command window is going to appear here in this history window. Here is the command history. So here you are seeing the commands what we executed earlier. So now I shall enter two more variables in the command window. Say f is equal to 5 and g is equal to 4. So even those variables are getting listed out here in the command history. You can notice it now. ನಾವೇನೇ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ copy those commands in case if you need them in your programs. So I shall just copy this, say a is equal to 10, and I'll paste it to this command window. Say enter. So it executes that command. After the command history, we shall see the next desktop tool, that is Launchpad. This Launchpad gives us a very easy access to demos. So if you want to see some demos, you can make use of the Launchpad. It also provides easy access to tools and documentation. Then we have the tool Help Browser. MATLAB is having a very detailed and extensive help browser. To open the help browser, you can just click on this button. So you'll be able to see this window, help browser window. Or you can type help browser in the command window to open this help browser window. So here I will just enter CLC command. So it gives me the description for the CLC command, and also it shows me the examples. You can copy these examples to the file or to the command window. I shall just enter help browser in the command window to open the help browser window. So now I'm having a browser window on the screen. So the next desktop tool is the current directory. So this current directory browser can be used to open or to make changes to the files or to the directories. So left side what you are seeing is the current directory browser. Here it is showing the current working directory. So by clicking on this, I can change the directory to the parent directory. So it shows me all the files and directories present in that particular directory. So we can get a very easy access to all the files and directories using this current directory browser. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫೈಲ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, and I can execute this file. The next desktop tool is Workspace Browser. This consists of all the variables built up during MATLAB session. Right side, what you are saying here is the workspace browser. It is showing all the variables used in this session. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೋ ಅದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You can even delete the variables from this workspace browser. Just select the variable, right click on those variables what you want to delete, then say delete. So now I am deleting this variable G. So it got deleted now. Now I'll enter the variable name A to display its content on the screen. So it is displaying the content of, the value of A. Now I'll just enter B. So it displays the value of B. Now I shall enter G. So it is giving me a message undefined variable G because I just deleted the variable G. So now to clear the screen, I shall use the command CLC. So here this command window is cleared, but not the workspace browser. So now CLC ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್, we need to use a command called clear. But before clearing the workspace browser, you need to save the variables. So to save the variables, I will use a command save, then the file name, say F34, that is the file name what I have used. Then I can enter the variable names. So enter B, C, and F. So now all the variables have been saved. I have given the file name as F34. Now I shall clear the workspace browser by giving the command clear. So now workspace browser is not showing me any variables here. So now ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ F34 ಅಂತ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು .mat ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ MATLAB ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now to get back the variables, I can use the command load and then the file name. Press the enter key. So now you are able to see all the variables in the workspace browser. Now I shall just enter A. So it is displaying the value of A now. So ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. By double clicking on these variables, we can open the array editor window. Here I can make changes to the value of the variable. I'm having 10 now, so I'll just make it as 20. So now A is having now 20 is stored in A. ಸೊ ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು A+B ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು D. So D is equal to A+B ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. got the result as 60. So it has taken the new value for the correlation. Now we shall see the next desktop tool, that is editor debugger. We can use the editor to enter the programs. So ನಾವು ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So I shall just open an editor now to enter a small program. Let's say okay. So MATLAB ಅಲ್ಲಿ m ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. So I have a small program here. So I'll just run this. So this is for I have just used 3 variables here, x, y, z. So it is showing me all the variables here in the workspace browser. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು CLC ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ CLC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಾನು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ನ. Save and execute. So before clearing, it is showing me this window. Okay, now the command window has been cleared. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ CLC ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಡಿಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ MATLAB ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್, ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡೋ, ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಲಾಂಚ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್, ಅರೇ ಎಡಿಟರ್, ಡಿಬಗರ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. The question is like this: which function can be used to save variables? So you have 4 choices. So in these choices, which one is the right one? You need to observe the syntax also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ syntax na ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here the correct syntax is the save, then the file name, and then the variable. Okay, without any brackets and all. So here you need to select, you need to go for D. We shall see the next question now. Which function can be used to load variables? So ನಾವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ right choices. So the right choice is D. Load anta command use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now we shall move on to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Function clear clears all variables of the type array. Function clear clears only the scalar. Function CLC clears all the variables. Function CLC clears only constants. Then there is none of the above. So ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. CLC ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡೋ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದನ್ನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇ. We'll see the next question now. The CLC command is used to clear the command window, erase everything in the M file, clean the desktop, save the existing file. So here the right answer is clear the command window. CLC stands for clear the command window. So you should choose the answer A. See the next question. What will the following command do? Save workspace. So So first choice is saves the entire workspace as mat file, saves the variable named workspace as mat file, saves the entire workspace as M5, saves the variable named workspace as M5. So ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅದು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೋ ಸೇವ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೇವ್ಸ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. We shall see the next question now. An array editor can be opened by double clicking on a variable in the workspace browser. So whether it is true or false, that you need to understand. So what is the I mean, which one is the right one? It is true, because by double clicking on a variable, we can open the array editor. So your choice should be A. We'll see the next question now. To open the help browser, click the help button in the toolbar. Type help browser in the command window. Which of the statements given above are correct? So here again you have 4 choices. Since both are true, your answer should be C, 1 and 2. Let's see the next question now. It's on editor. Editor is used to create and debug M files. It provides a graphical user interface for basic text editing. Then its contents can be displayed in the command window by using the type function. Which of these statements given above are correct? So here again you are having 4 choices. See here, all are true, right? It can be used to create M files and also to debug M files. Yes, it also provides graphical user interface for basic text editing. We can do editing and all. Then its content, see whatever it contains, the programs, okay, or the commands that can be displayed in the command window by using type function. So answer should be all of the above. Let's see the next question now. With reference to MATLAB desktop tools, which of the following statements are correct? First one, command window is the main area where commands can be entered at the command line. It is indicated by the command prompt. The number 2, workspace shows all the variables created, okay, and or imported from files. Command history panel shows commands that are entered at the command line. So you need to choose the correct answer. See here also, all are true. All the statements, all the given statements are true. So your answer should be D, because command window is the main area where command can be entered. We can enter all the commands in the command window, and we have the command prompt, okay, which has this greater than sign. Then workspace will show all the variables. That's what we have seen in the workspace browser. So it shows all the variables. Then command history panel shows commands that are entered at the command line. So the answer is G. Now we shall see the last question. State whether the given statement is true or false. MATLAB saves previously typed commands in a buffer. These commands can be recalled with the up arrow. Yes, it is true. So ನೀವು ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಆರೋ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆಯೋ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. So that's all for this session. Thank you.